Now, again, I am repeating the parts of the brain. Actually, the human brain is divided into three main parts: the cerebellum, and the medulla oblongata, or you can say that brain stem. Different parts of the brain do different jobs. The first main part of the brain is known as cerebrum. It is the largest and the most complicated part of the brain. It divides vertically into two halves. The right side of the cerebrum controls the left side of the body, whereas the left half of the cerebrum controls the right side of the body. Okay, the cerebrum controls your voluntary actions. Now, what are voluntary actions? Voluntary actions are those actions which can be performed by your will. They cannot be done by our brain. These actions are thinking, feelings, decision making, reading, listening, seeing, and the ability to differentiate between taste and the smell. Actually, cerebrum controls your voluntary actions. It also enables you to touch and feel the texture of things. It also enables you to remember things. Okay, these are the jobs of cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest and the most complicated part of the brain. It controls your voluntary actions. The second part of the brain is the medulla or oblongata or brainstem. This is the lowest part of the brain. Actually, it controls the involuntary actions. Involuntary actions which cannot be performed consciously. They can be performed by our brain, like digestions, heart beating, breathing, etc. When the rest of the brain goes to sleep, the medulla keeps working. जब हमारा सारा दिमाग आराम कर रहा होता है तो medulla जो है continuously working कर रहा होता है, because it controls the involuntary actions. The third part is cerebellum. Cerebellum is between the cerebrum and medulla. It is between the cerebrum and the it is below the cerebrum and above the medulla. Its function is to control the balance and movement of the muscles and joints. Actually, it controls your movement. It helps you to run, walk, jump, and do other many activities, physical activities in which muscles are involved. Okay, in this lecture, we discussed about parts of brain. The first part is cerebrum, the second part is cerebellum, and the third part is medulla or brain stem.